I'll be honest, 7 days before my AZ-900 exam, I hadn't even started studying. I was staring at my calendar, realizing I'd booked the test right before a big trip, and I had two options: reschedule and drag it out for weeks, or lock in, focus, and see if I could actually pull it off. Spoiler, I passed the exam on the first try, and I did it just using 2 resources. If you're feeling overwhelmed by all the courses, books, and study plans out there, this video is for you. I'm going to break down exactly how I passed the AZ-900 in a week, what I learned along the way, and how you can do the same, even if you're brand new to Azure. Let's get into it. For me, AZ-900 was the perfect entry point into Azure. I'd heard it was the best way to get a real foundation in cloud, and I wanted something that would actually show up on my resume. It's affordable, recognized by employers, and it's the gateway to more advanced Azure certifications. But I didn't want to spend months prepping for a fundamental exam. I wanted to get in, get the knowledge, and get certified fast. The AZ-900 exam costs about $99, but sometimes you can find discounts or vouchers. It's 40 to 60 multiple choice questions, and you get 60 minutes to finish. You need a score of 700 out of 1,000 to pass. You can take the exam in English, Japanese, Korean, or Chinese. The exam covers cloud concepts and principles, core Azure services and solutions, security, privacy, compliance, and trust in Azure, and Azure pricing, SLA, and lifecycle. You'll see questions about the shared responsibility model, basic networking, resource groups, and how Azure services fit together. There's also a good chunk on cost management and support plans, so don't skip those topics. Here's how I structured my week. Day 1, I took a baseline practice test to see where I stood. Then, I split my study time between watching the best video playlists I could find and drilling practice questions. Every day, I reviewed what I got wrong, filled my knowledge gaps, and made sure I understood the why behind every answer. I blocked out 2 to 3 hours each day and focused only on the essentials. No distractions, no extra fluff. The first resource I used was the Azure for Everyone AZ-900 playlist on YouTube. This playlist is gold. It covers every single topic you need for the exam, and it's taught in a way that actually makes sense. I watched the videos at 1.5 speed, took notes, and paused whenever I needed to try something out in the Azure portal. If you're a visual learner, this playlist is all you need for the core concepts. Don't just watch. Open up the Azure free tier and follow along. Click through the portal, try out the services, and get comfortable with the interface. That hands-on practice is what makes the knowledge stick. I also made a Notion page with all the topics I struggled with, and every day I'd review those notes and make sure I was closing my knowledge gaps. The second resource I used was the Tutorials Dojo AZ-900 practice exams. These practice exams are the real secret sauce. They're as close to the real exam as you can get. I took a full-length practice test on day 4, and I didn't just look at my score. I reviewed every single question, especially the ones I got wrong. I read the explanations, went back to the playlist if I needed a refresher, and made sure I understood why the right answer was right. I repeated this process every day for the last 3 days. By the time I sat for the real exam, I was seeing the same types of questions, and I already knew exactly what to expect. If you want to use the same practice exams I did, I've got a discount for you. Just check the link in the description below for my affiliate link to Tutorials Dojo. It'll help save you some money. I passed the AZ-900 on my first try, and honestly, it felt easier than the practice exams. The real test was almost identical in format and difficulty. What surprised me most was how much confidence I had going in just from doing the practice questions and actually using the Azure portal. You don't need to memorize every single service. Just focus on the core concepts, the main use cases, and how the pieces fit together. I finished the exam in about 35 minutes, double-checked my answers, and trusted my gut on the ones I wasn't sure about. When I saw the pass screen, I was honestly shocked at how straightforward it was compared to what I expected. If you want to pass the AZ-900 fast, here's my advice. Don't overthink it. Pick one video course and one set of practice exams. Spend more time doing than watching. Use the Azure free tier to get hands-on. Review every practice question, not just your score. Set a hard deadline, 7 days, 10 days, whatever works for you, and stick to it. You don't need to buy 5 courses or spend months studying. You just need a focused plan and the right resources. If you're struggling with a topic, don't be afraid to Google it. Check the Microsoft Learn Docs or ask in a community. If you get a question wrong, don't just move on. Figure out why. That's where the real learning happens. Now, let's talk about the big question. Are certifications actually worth it? Here's my honest take. Certs are a great way to prove you understand the basics and to get past HR filters, but they don't guarantee you can do the work. The real value comes from combining your cert with hands-on experience. If you can show you've passed the AZ-900 and you've actually deployed resources in Azure, you're way ahead of most entry-level candidates. Certs open doors, but skills get you hired. So use the cert as a launch pad, not just a finish line. If you're wondering what to do after the AZ-900, here's here's my advice. Don't stop at the fundamentals. Start building real projects, deploy a web app, automate a deployment, set up monitoring, or even try a small migration. If you want to keep going with certs, look at Azure Administrator, AZ-104, or Azure Security Engineer. But always pair your certs with hands-on work. That's what makes you stand out. And if you're thinking about a career in cloud engineering, this is just the beginning. So to sum it up, you don't need to overcomplicate the AZ-900. Pick the right resources, put in the work, and you'll be certified before you know it. If you want to use the same practice exams I did, check the link in the description for a discount to Tutorials Dojo. If you have any questions about the AZ-900, drop them in the comments. If you want more study tips, resources, or feedback on your Azure journey, check out my free community. Link is in the description as well. And if you're interested in breaking into cloud engineering or want some help mapping out your next steps, there's also a link in the description as well. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more real-world career advice, and let me know in the comments how your AZ-900 journey is going. Go crush that exam. I'll catch you in the next one.